Hello friends, if you want to know and learn the difference between life insurance and general insurance, then this video is for you. So let's straight away start. I have already written down keys or points of comparison or points of difference between life insurance and general insurance. On the basis of these points, we will develop the difference between the two. So, number one, meaning. Meaning of life insurance and meaning of general insurance will make first point of difference. Now, what is life insurance? So, as the name suggests, life insurance is a type of insurance in which the subject matter of insurance is life of a person. Okay. Whereas in general insurance, a type of insurance in which protection against risk is secured or taken against risks other than life are included in general insurance. That means in general insurance, insurance of goods and properties and other items than life are taken. Point number two, illustration or example. Illustration of life insurance is that suppose, for example, a person, Anil, takes insurance of his life at the age of 25 years of rupees 5 lakh. Here, Anil taking insurance of his life for rupees 5 lakh value at the age of 25 years is an example of life insurance. Okay. Next, example of general insurance. Suppose Anil Traders, a businessman who is taking insurance of his godown, fire insurance of his godown having value of 5 crores rupees. Here, Anil Traders taking fire insurance of their godown for rupees 5 lakh value, and suppose they pay premium of rupees 5,000 per year. Here, this is an example of general insurance. Number 3. This will be, of course, number 3. Slight mistake in writing numbers. Point number 3. Point number 3, certainty of risk happening. In life insurance, as ultimate risk is death, and death of a person is a surety, is a certainty, only question of time. Nobody is immortal. Everybody dies sooner or later. So, risk happening in life insurance is certain, whereas risk happening in general insurance is uncertain. That means risk may occur or risk may happen, risk may not happen. For example, let us continue that example of Anil Traders taking insurance of his godown of rupees 5 crore value and paying 5,000 rupees yearly premium. So here, Anil Traders godown may catch fire during the given year, it may not catch fire. It is not certain. Number 4. As far as life insurance is concerned, it is one kind of investment because the person who takes life insurance, either himself, if survives, get amount on maturity, or if he does not survive, suppose the person taking insurance means insuree dies, his heirs, waris जिसे हम बोलते हैं, they get the amount, right? So it is a kind of investment. But remember, general insurance is an insurance of, it is a contract of agreement of indemnity. Indemnity means making good. It is a kind of agreement in which we take protection against some predetermined financial loss. That is called contract of indemnity. It is an agreement of indemnity. General insurance is. Point number 5. Point number 5 is principle of indemnity is not applicable in life insurance. Principle of indemnity says that actual loss will be calculated while paying the amount of insurance. In life insurance, life is invaluable. Human life is invaluable. Its value cannot be measured in terms of money. So, if a person dies who has taken life insurance, will be paid, his heirs will be paid the amount for which insurance is taken. Without policy amount will be paid without calculating any risk. without calculating any loss. Whereas life in general insurance, principle of indemnity is very much applicable. Point number 6. Point number 6 is that principle of subrogation is also not applicable in general insurance, whereas principle of subrogation is applicable in general insurance. Subrogation principle says, basic rule of subrogation says that whatever the scrap remains of the item insured will belong to insurance company when insurance company pays full amount of loss. Full amount of claim, full amount of loss paid by the insurer, then whatever scrap is there of the item insured will belong to insurance company. That is called subrogation principle. And that subrogation principle is applicable in general insurance. It is not applicable in life insurance. And that makes the difference between the two. Point number 7. Point number 7, friends, is term of contract. Term of contract means life insurance is a long-term contract, is a long-term agreement, whereas general insurance is a short-term agreement comparatively, because general insurance is taken only for 1 year, then it is to be renewed with the mutual consent of the insuree and the insurer. That means the party taking insurance and the insurance company. And last, friends, difference between general insurance and life insurance, point number 8, is types. As far as life insurance is concerned, it is mainly divided into two types. One, endowment life insurance and whole life general insurance are the two main types of life insurance. Whereas as far as general insurance is concerned, there are many types of general insurance. Say for example, goods transportation insurance is included in general insurance. Now, goods transportation insurance are again of many types. For example, road transportation insurance, railway transportation insurance, air transportation insurance, water transport insurance, we call it marine insurance, right? Then fire insurance, then other general insurance. There are many other types of general insurance. You name the risk, and insurance company is ready to cover the risk in general insurance. So that is, friends, the main difference between the two. Of course, your writing style of difference depends on you. You can write the difference by dividing the page into two. On one side you can write life insurance, on life insurance side you can write the content of life insurance, on general insurance side you can write. Here I have just listed the point in general, but as per your convenience and choice, you can write the difference between the two. Okay, so there we are concluding the video. Thank you for your valuable time, and bye till next time.